What is a GCP project? A Google Cloud project is the fundamental organizing entity in Google Cloud Platform. Every resource you create, like VM instances, cloud storage buckets, BigQuery datasets, is scoped to a project. Key characteristics of projects: isolation and ownership. Resources, permissions, and billing are all isolated within a single project. You can grant IAM roles at the project level to control who can do what across all its resources. Unique identifiers. Project ID. A globally unique string you choose. Project number. A system-generated numeric identifier used by APIs and billing. Billing association. Every project must be linked to a billing account. Usage in one project is billed separately from usage in other projects. API enablement and quotas. APIs and services are enabled on a per-project basis. Quotas, like number of CPUs, API calls, are tracked per project. Best practices. Per environment projects. Maintain separate projects for dev, test, staging, and production to avoid accidental bleed over. Naming conventions. Use clear, descriptive IDs. Minimal IAM roles. Grant the least privilege needed at project level. Use folder or resource level overrides as needed. Billing alerts and budgets. Set budgets and alerts on each project to avoid unexpected charges. By understanding projects as the core unit of organization in GCP, you can structure your cloud resources, permissions, and billing in a clear and maintainable way.